Hey guys, guess what I just finished? I finished the Ancient Dragon. This took me about 6 hours over the course of 5 days. Well, I'm not teaching this is very hard. But I am teaching this phoenix that I just designed. It has these cool looking wings and this cool head as well. So, here's how to fold it. Alright, so I'm going to use this 8 origami paper. It's a 7-inch paper, and I like to use bright yellow. Please ignore these creases. So, valley fold in half, unfold, rotate, and repeat. Now take this edge and fold it to the crease we just made. Rotate and repeat. And rotate and then fold up to this line. Rotate and repeat over here. And now, take this edge and fold it up to this crease. And then do the same on these 4. So now zoom out and take this edge and pull it out like this. We're making a pinwheel base. And same with all the other 4. This starts off very similar to the Fortune Teller 2.0. If I taught that, you'll know what I mean. So, there we got our pinwheel base. And now, we're gonna squash fold these corners. So, valley fold in the other direction. Open this pocket and squash like that. And repeat on the other 4 sides. Alright, now zoom in again. So we're gonna petal fold these. So fold this edge to this edge. Repeat on this side, and valley fold this point down. Now unfold all of that, and open this up, and make a petal fold. It's like you're making a boat, and you're sinking the walls of the boat onto the center crease. Now repeat that on the other 4 sides. And last one. Okay, now we are at this base, which is the same base that I used for my fortune teller, but this is where it goes different from the fortune teller. It takes another path. So, let's turn this over, and we're gonna make a square base here. So, actually, sorry, turn it back over, and valley fold the whole model in half. excuse me. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. Now you can unfold, turn over, and we can make a square base. So let's take this corner, make a nice mountain fold, and bring it down to this crease. And now make a valley fold on this existing crease, so it should look like this. And then take this as a mountain fold, and as a valley fold, sorry, and put it down like that. Now valley fold this, and squash the rest, like that. Okay, now we're gonna petal fold this, but it's a little more difficult because we have petal folds on top of the square base. So let's valley fold this flap over, and we're gonna valley fold this edge to this crease, and unfold those two steps, unfold and unfold. Now we're gonna fold this side, or unfold rather, this side, and fold this edge to this crease. Unfold and unfold, and repeat that all on the other side. Now we're going to petal fold it. So open the square base that we made earlier, like this, and then you'll see the crease that we made, and just follow along the creases, like that. It's like, again, the boat, and you're sinking the walls of the boat. And turn over and do the same thing. Okay, now we got this monstrosity of a base. It looks like a triple bird base almost. So, anyways, what you want is you want this part to be on the bottom. So, you can open it up and reverse fold up, just like you were to a crane. And this is going to be the tail, so you want to do it relatively low, like around there. Maybe a good crease point would be for this edge to touch this intersection point, like that. And do it over, and do the same here, but higher, since this is going to be the head. And then for a crease point, you could take this edge and align it with these two edges, like that. Okay, so now we're gonna make the head. So what you should do is we're just gonna make a little reverse fold, and that'll be it. No, just kidding. Fold the head like this till you feel like this little, like this hard spot, which should be this spot right here. Place it sharply, and unfold, open, and reverse fold, as if you were to make a crane head, like that. Now, we want to valley fold down both sides, like that, and unfold them partially, so you can go up. So, on the top side it looks like this. Okay. Now, open these little flaps. I zoomed in to see like the fine work that we're going to be doing. So, as I said, open these flaps and squash so it looks like this. Now, valley fold this up on these two points. And, and now valley fold these little tiny parts that are sticking out inwards. Sorry, I'll show you. Here. And now valley fold this all down. And this is where I forget. Actually, valley fold this up. No, yeah. Like that. And now make these nice points. So push it in here and here. So it's sort of like a fish base. There we go. And same on this side. So it looks like that. And yeah, that's the head. And now we can do the wings. So let's curl the wings. You might need like a pen or something that might help. So curl the wings around the pen. Like that. And now if you want to go like really extra, then you can like curve these bottom parts as well. It's kind of hard. You might need to like almost like weakly fold it like that, like make a nice roll, and then you can make a nice roll over here too. Let me get this pen out of the way, and there you go. You can, and like from the front it almost looks like an angry owl or something. Okay, so we're almost done. We're just gonna do a final thing on the tail because the tail could use like a bit of pizzazz. So what we can do is we could curve it. Use the pen again. But we're gonna slightly curve it downwards so it looks majestic. Like that. And you want to curve this really tight because you want it to stay like that. That's it. Ooh, wait, I think there's one more feature in this crane. Like if you hold here and pull here, it's like the flapping bird. So I guess you could call it the flapping phoenix. Yeah. Alright, so I hope you're able to fold that, and see you soon. Bye.